So the main thing I want to celebrate is how much my life has improved from these course. It's not only the things that I learned to become a coach, but also just all the communication skills just help with everything in life, really. And I see lots of great changes in my relationships, in anything in life. So it's been a great journey, way better than I could ever expected. So ever since we took the Gallup test in the strength workshop, it kind of surprised me, my top 5. I realized that I do have a lot of strengths that have to do with communication and relationships, which help a lot with being a coach. And those are powers that I didn't even realize I had. And now tapping into them, it's really powerful. It's really strong.
And I found that if I want to be a professional coach, I have to be, aware from myself, or self-awareness. And this is the biggest point for me. And during these sessions, I learned a lot of points. I'm not talking about just for Gallup test, for self-awareness and so on. But I found that, for example, when we are talking about the active listening, we can use it for myself. I can listen to myself. It's kind of the self-awareness, and it helps me not just in my career or my, family life. It helps me in changing our perspective, my perspective in my life, and it helps a lot. This session was not about coaching. It was, self-awareness and changing perspective in my life. It was very, very good.
I think for this journey, I grow a lot in terms of my own self-development and self-awareness. Like myself in the past, I didn't think much about the way I listen, the way I observe and give feedback to others. But the more I practice, especially with Jordy, I develop a higher level of staying present with the client. And the more I practice, the more I realize, like, when I be there with the client, it's like I'm meditating. It's like I'm sitting there, sitting still, just listen and just observe, and just bring up everything that I see, and just hold a really safe space for them, just like I do for myself.